Okay, students, switch on your videos. So in the previous class, I had made you people solve few questions. So let us discuss the answers for today and then we'll start more questions. So, okay. So select the row which shows the correct labeling for the parts. You people have your answers out? Okay. All right. So which one is the right answer for the first question?
B.
What is the A? What is A?
Dendrite.
Dendrite.
Very good. A is the dendrite. Okay. What is the B?
Nucleus.
Yeah, it is the nucleus, and this part is the cyton or the cell body, right? Then what is the C portion?
Axon.
Axon.
Axon. And at the end, you have the nerve ending. So this one is the right answer. Everyone has done it correct? Is it correct for everyone?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, choose the incorrect statement. Proteins, salts, and hormones are all found in the matrix of the blood. A ligament joins two bones together. Tendons are non-fibrous and delicate tissues. Cartilage is a type of connective tissue. Which one is incorrect out of them?
C.
Why?
Because all other are correct.
Because the rest of them are correct, so this one is definitely incorrect. Huh? That's the answer. See, the reason why it is incorrect, it's because the tendons, they're not delicate. They're definitely not delicate. They're very strengths. Like they're very, you can say this thing. So they have a lot of strength. That is why they can withstand all sorts of movements and they connect the bones and the muscles together. Okay, which of the following is responsible for a bamboo stem's rapid extension? Extension of the stem. Which?
Apical meristem.
C.
Apical meristem, then there's intercalary. See, in these kind of questions, the apical and intercalary would both actually help the elongation of the stem. But the primary, like you can say the primary tissue that is responsible for that is 100% the apical meristem. Had it been talking about the girth of the stem, then we would have gone for which meristem?
Lateral meristem.
Lateral meristem. Very good. All right, during recess, Rohan was having lunch with his friends. One of his friends said that intestine help in the digestion of food. Rohan's sister was also listening to this conversation. She asked them the name of the tissue which is responsible for the absorption of food. Do you people also talk like this in school? Like, name that tissue which is responsible for this. Do you talk like Rohan's sister or Rohan? Are you curious like them? You are? Okay, Gauri is. Okay. So tell me the answer. Which tissue is responsible for absorption of food?
B.
Columnar epithelium.
Columnar epithelium, right? Column-like cells are present in the intestine and the stomach. Very good. Involuntary muscles, they are found in involuntary muscles. What all are the involuntary muscles?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Striated muscles are skeletal muscles.
Option
So basically,
Option C.
skeletal muscles are voluntary. Option
Option
3,
C.
2 and 4. 2 and 4. Cardiac muscles are involuntary, smooth muscles are involuntary. So this is the right answer. What is found in the fluid part of the blood after the removal of corpuscles? Corpuscle means the blood cells. So when you remove all the blood cells, what are you going to be left with?
Plasma.
Plasma. Very good. Okay, the picture shows 3 types of tissues found in the human body. The inner lining of alveoli, which is the air sac in the lung, which type of tissue are found in the inner lining of alveoli?
Tissue 1.
Tissue 1. Tissue 1 is squamous.
Tissue 2.
Tissue
B.
2. Tissue 2 mostly. See, 1 and 3, see, columnar. The third one is columnar and it is mostly found in the intestine and the stomach. The second part is found mostly in the alveoli. Okay, the lungs alveoli. Now, the meristematic tissue is the growth tissue of plants. They have the ability to divide and provide strength to the plants. They are of 3 types. Given below are the functions of each one of them. It helps in elongation of roots and stems. It gives rise to vascular tissues and helps in increasing girth of the plant. It helps in increasing number of branches of a plant. Now, which one is what? What is the first one?
Apical.
Apical meristem. Very good. Correct. Second,
Literal. Sorry,
Intercalary.
intercalary.
lateral meristem, and then there's intercalary. Lateral meristem, where are they found in the plant's body, students? Where do you find them?
In the sides of what we call stems and all.
Lateral means the sideways position, right? So they are found in the sides of the stem. Okay, very good. Now, Sarthak's sister was having high fever, vomiting and headache. Doctor asked his parents to do some blood test of his sister. On receiving the report, the doctor confirmed that she is suffering from typhoid and gave her medicines. The high concentration of which of the blood cell identifies that she has infection? Which blood cells increases in number during infection?
Leukocytes.
Leukocytes.
Leukocytes. And what do you call them commonly? We call them as WBC. So these are the ones that fight the infectious agent. So whenever there are any kind of, you can say, pathogen in the body, so these leukocytes, they're going to divide and they're going to fight with them. So their numbers are going to increase in the body. All right, now we're talking about the assertion and reasoning. So how do you solve assertion and reasoning questions? You read the assertion, you read the reasoning. And if assertion and reason both are correct statements and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, then the point is 1 or A. When both the statements are true, but reason is not, like the second reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, then we give it 2 or B. If the assertion is true but the reason is false, we give it 3 or C. And when the assertion is false but reason is true, then we give 4 and D. So accordingly, we have to answer. So the assertion says the permeability of the cells play an important role in regulating the exchange of materials between the body and the external environment. Reason is anything entering or leaving the body must cross at least one layer of epithelium. What is your answer?
I will say B.
Yes,
C.
it is B. No, not C. It is B. Why? Because both the statements are correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So the answer would be B or 2. Now, Celia, they are here. Like, everyone understood this 10th question?
Yes.
All of you did? Okay. It makes me so happy to see all of you answering the questions. It really makes me very happy. All of you are studying. That makes my heart extremely happy and hopeful that you people will score very nicely. Okay. Talking about the question 11, cilia are hair-like structures present on the inner surface of hollow organs. Ciliated epithelium causes the movement of cilia to push the particles in a particular direction.
A.
A.
A. A is never correct. Why? It will never be correct in this case. The first statement, where are cilia present? I've always shown you that cilia are present on top of the body. Have I ever shown you present it, like it being present inside the cell? No. So they are saying they are present in the inner surface. So this is absolutely wrong. So statement 1 is incorrect. So which option says? If A is
D.
false, D. Clear? So D would be the answer. Okay, next. Parenchyma tissue is a non-living tissue. Parenchyma cells have intercellular spaces. Which one?
D.
Which one?
D.
D. A to definitely not. Because parenchyma tissues, they are living tissues. Okay. So if the first assertion is only incorrect, then we put a D, big D. Next, xylem and phloem are called as vascular tissue. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vascular tissues, they conduct water, minerals, and food to different parts of the plant. Is this correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
And is this the correct explanation of the assertion?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
So it would be A. Very good. Bone cells are embedded in a very hard matrix. The matrix found in our body may be jelly-like fluid, dense or rigid.
1A is true, but R is false.
Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix. Yes, correct. Yeah, but it's okay. Yes, A. A would be the right answer. Now, the intestinal cells, they are lined with tall epithelial cells called as columnar cells or columnar
Ma'am,
epithelium.
can you, ma'am, I have a doubt in the 14th one.
Ask.
Like, can you explain that one, the reason?
15th.
14th.
14th. See, 14th, they're saying that bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix. Yes, bones are made up of calcium and phosphate salts. So they are present in harsh matrix. So hard matrix. So the assertion is correct. Now the matrix that are found in our body, they can be jelly-like, like cytoplasm, like plasma. They can be dense and they can be rigid, like how rigid means hard, like how bones matrix is. Understood? So they are explaining the different kind of matrix. So that is why it is A. Clear?
Yes, yes.
Now question 15. The intestinal cells, they are lined with tall epithelial cells called as columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium helps in absorption and secretion.
A.
Very good. You people solved till here only, or were there more questions that you solved?
Till 16A we solved.
16. Okay, 16th is a case-based question. Ankita was traveling by bus to her hometown. She saw a lot of trees and plants with flowers blooming on trees on her way. When she observed them carefully, the pattern of growth was different in different types of plants. Some had thick trunks with profuse branches, while others had soft green stems with less branching. Some trees were tall, while others were short. So after returning from her trip, Ankita discussed the strange pattern of growth, and her teacher taught her about the pattern of growth in various types of plants. So the tissue that is responsible for the growth of the plant is called as
Meristematic.
Meristematic.
very good, meristematic. They made all that story just to ask you this simple question. Also, students, whenever you have any passage-based question or whenever you have any case-based question, like how in science you have case-based question, in English you might have passage questions. So for that, I'll give you one trick. Before reading the passage, you read the questions. Whenever you get your question paper handed to you read the questions first. Okay, first you read whatever questions they are asking nicely. And then when you're going to read the passage, the answer will automatically come to you. Understood? So always start by reading the questions first. Now, apical meristem is responsible for the increase in the length of root and stem. Is it true?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Apical meristem is found in the growing tips of the plant, such as root tip and shoot tip. Is it true?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So what would be the answer for this assertion reasoning?
A.
A. Very good. Okay, then you people have to do the rest of the questions, right? Okay, now you do the rest of the questions. Once you're done, tell me.
Ma'am, can you just go to the washroom and come back?
What? Speak
Can I
clearly.
just go to the washroom?
Go.
Ma'am, can you show this 17th one?
Everyone's done doing the 16th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone's done.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you go now?
Everyone's done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you go down? Ma'am, can you go down?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, you can skip this particular 20th question. Move on to the 21st question.
Ma'am, can you go on?
Everyone's done till here?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you go on? Ma'am, can you show the next one? Ma'am, can you show question D?
Everyone's done till here? Shall I scroll down?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, ma'am, I was not done. Done, ma'am.
Done, students? Shall I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's just keep it till here only. We'll discuss these questions, the answers in the next class.